Hi everyone, it is Joanna here. In today's lesson we will talk about AWS Certified Solutions Architects exam. This document is a comprehensive question and answer bank designed specifically for candidates preparing for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate SAAC03 examination. It covers various real-life scenarios and problem-solving approaches on AWS, testing the candidate's knowledge of AWS services, best practices, and architectural principles. Below is a detailed breakdown of the document. Topics covered. The questions cover a wide range of topics relevant to the SAAC03 exam, including Amazon S3 and storage solutions, lifecycle policies, encryption, versioning, and cost optimization. Use cases for Amazon S3 Intelligent Tiering, S3 Glacier, S3 Glacier Deep Archive, and Storage Lifecycle Management. Networking and VPC design. Use of VPC endpoints, NAT gateways, Transit Gateway, and VPN for secure and cost-effective communication. Multi-region architectures, hybrid cloud setups, and inter-VPC connectivity. Compute services. Amazon EC2 instance families, compute optimized, memory optimized, etc. Scaling, auto-scaling groups, and cost optimization using savings plans and reserved instances. AWS Lambda and Fargate for serverless architectures and containerized workloads. Database services. Amazon RDS, Aurora, DynamoDB, and Redshift. Use cases for relational versus NoSQL databases, encryption, and scaling solutions. Integration of databases with other AWS services like Lambda and Glue. Application load balancing and high availability. Load balancing strategies using Application Load Balancer, ALB, Network Load Balancer, NLB, and Gateway Load Balancer. Implementing fault-tolerant, multi-AZARD, and scalable architectures. Security and compliance. Encryption at rest and in transit using AWS KMS, IAM roles and policies, and multi-factor authentication, MFA. Use of Amazon GuardDuty, AWS Security Hub, and Amazon Macie for monitoring and compliance. Serverless and managed services. Use cases for AWS Lambda, step functions, and Event Bridge for event-driven architectures. Amazon ECS, EKS, and AWS Fargate for container orchestration. AWS Transfer Family for legacy SFTP integrations. Data processing and analytics. Use of Amazon EMR, Glue, Athena, and Kinesis for big data and real-time analytics. Integration of data lakes with Redshift for machine learning, ML, and reporting. Cost optimization. Strategies for reducing costs using Amazon S3 lifecycle rules, savings plans, reserved instances, and intelligent tiering. Use of AWS Budgets and Cost Explorer to track and control expenses. Disaster recovery and backup. Disaster recovery planning with Amazon Aurora Global Database, cross-region replication, and AWS backup. Ensuring business continuity and meeting RPO/RTO requirements. Key highlights and features. Scenario-based questions. Each question mimics real-world scenarios, making it easier for candidates to understand practical AWS use cases and apply theoretical knowledge. Detailed explanations. Answers are supported with detailed explanations and references to AWS documentation, providing clarity on why a particular solution is correct. Service comparisons. The questions often compare AWS services, e.g., Amazon S3 versus Glacier, ALB versus NLB, to test the candidate's understanding of the best service for a given use case. Cost-effective solutions. Many questions emphasize cost optimization, a critical skill for AWS architects, ensuring candidates are well-versed in designing financially efficient solutions. Focus on operational excellence. Several questions address minimizing operational overhead by using managed services like AWS Lambda, Fargate, and Transfer Family. Example questions and summaries. Here are a few examples of the questions and their focus areas. Question 1. Encryption and data security. Scenario: a financial company needs to store sensitive data in Amazon S3 with encryption managed outside AWS. Correct answer: encrypt the data at the company's data center before storing it in S3. Concept: meeting compliance requirements for encryption outside AWS. Question 3. User authentication with MFA. Scenario: a company needs a scalable solution for user authentication with risk-based adaptive MFA. Correct answer: Amazon Cognito with risk-based adaptive authentication. Concept: implementing secure and scalable user authentication. Question 7. Cost optimization for Lambda functions. Scenario: high concurrency Lambda functions need to lower compute costs while maintaining performance. Correct answer: increase memory using AWS Compute Optimizer recommendations. Concept: optimizing Lambda performance and cost. Question 36. Disaster recovery for Aurora. Scenario: ensuring DR for an Aurora MySQL cluster with RPO of 5 minutes. Correct answer: convert the Aurora cluster to an Aurora Global Database. Concept: using Aurora Global Database for low RPO RTO targets. Question 58. Hybrid Kubernetes management. Scenario: viewing and managing workloads across EKS and on-premises Kubernetes clusters. Correct answer: use Amazon EKS connector. Concept: centralized Kubernetes cluster management. Utility for candidates. This document is an excellent resource for candidates preparing for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Associate, SAAC03, exam. It provides hands-on practice, realistic scenarios to test and apply AWS knowledge, comprehensive coverage, a wide range of AWS services and architectures, exam readiness, focused content aligned with the exam blueprint. Conclusion: the file is a robust resource that not only prepares candidates for the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification, but also strengthens their real-world problem-solving skills. It emphasizes best practices, cost optimization, and operational efficiency, ensuring candidates are well-equipped to design scalable, secure, and cost-effective AWS solutions. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Academists family.